Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Nayi girlfriend yampumelelo Mseleko lele sayidlisa otirelo ngemaphayiphi. We know ukuthi izingane azisithembu sesibuyile guys, zibuyile le show, and everyone's just talking about the show kesana because kushubile and we saw trailer lebeyivetile kokuthi uTirelo was talking to uMusa Mseleko amtshela ukuthi ubone ifoni yaMpumelelo. Mpumelelo has a new girlfriend, and le girlfriend ufuna koyilobola, and people are making fun of uTirelo, saying ukuthi she was happy ngalesikhathi adlisa uVuyukazi ngemaphayiphi, telling uVuyukazi to move on, telling uVuyukazi to love herself just because yena bekafuna kusala yi-one. Now umjikele uMpumelelo and she wants to take another person, abhadale imalobolo for that person. Kube kufike nacala ke-relationship, so people are saying ukuthi girl ziyakhala ke manje. So this is the girl, and samuva ke vele uMpumelelo did mention ukuthi yena umuntu oqala ambhadalele malobo it's someone la yomthola al-vision. So we are assuming ukuthi this person vision because it's something lebekaloku ayikhuluma athi nanoma engabe unaTirelo nanoma engabe unaVuyukazi but ngeke azabalobole kuqala. Umuntu walomlobola kuqala ngubani? Ngilolo musha lokuqhamuka sekayintombi nto. So people are saying ukuthi cha girl, now it's time you love yourself. Now it's time usebenzise le advice lo wayinika uVuyukazi. Nawe ube uthathe like uthole i-taste of your own medicine man, ushiye phansi just because uyabona ukuthi this relationship it's not working. And uMpumelelo even revealed ukuthi he doesn't want to be with uTirelo anymore. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.